You got your demons, spent seasons on the dark side of the moon. You got your demons, spent seasons on the dark side of the moon. Don't try denying, 'cause you know that I've been there too. Right now I know how it feels, like the world's gonna end. But I'll get you through, if it's the last thing I do. I'm gonna love the head out of you, take all the pain that you're going through. I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. You brought resounding techniques for my grounding when I had lost it a little too far from the middle to find some solace from all this exhaustion and monsters of mine. So you better know that I'll bring you home. I'm gonna love the hell out of you, take all the pain that you're going through, and I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the head out of me. In the moment you feel half complete, know the moments are temporary, when the fear fuels the fire underneath. I'm gonna love the hell out of you, take all the pain that you're going through, and I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. You've always loved the hell out of me.
This dance is called Bring You Heaven. Choreographed by Niels Poulsen. It's a 48 count, 3-wall, phrased, high intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There are part A, 32 counts, part B, 16 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A, B, B, A, B, B, A, 16 counts, B, B, ending. Now let me go over part A. Part A has 32 counts. Section 1 of part A, starting with right foot. Right foot cross, point left foot to the side. Left foot cross, point right foot to the side. Option for the first 2 counts. Right and left twinkle. Right foot, cross, side, side. Left foot, cross, side, side. Continue. Right foot, cross, side, behind. Quarter turn left, forward, facing 9. Right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 3. Half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left, facing 9. Non-turning option, you can do right foot, mambo back, sweep your left back. Continue. Left foot back, 1/8 right, side, point left to the side, facing 10:30. 1/8 left, left foot forward, sweep your right, facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, 5/8 right, diamond. Right foot cross, side, 1/8 right, right foot back, facing 10:30. Left foot back, 1/8 right, right foot side, 1/8 right, left foot forward, facing 1:30. Right foot cross, 1/8 right, left foot side, 1/8 right, right foot back, facing 4:30. Left foot, coaster step, right foot, rock forward, recover, 3/8 to your right, stepping forward, facing 9, half turn right, left foot back, sweep your right, quarter turn right, right foot, side rock, recover. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 3, right and left, sailor step, traveling back slightly, right foot, behind side, side, left foot, behind side, side, right foot, behind, sweep your left, behind side, cross, lunge to the side, 1 1/4, rolling turn to your left, quarter turn left, forward, half turn left back, half turn left forward, sweep your right, facing 3 o'clock. Section 4, right and left, samba collect, right foot, cross, side, 1/8 right, together, facing 4:30, left foot, cross, 1/8 left, side, 1/8 left, together, facing 1:30. Right foot, cross, 1/8 right, side, facing 3, right foot behind, sweep your left, behind side, cross, 3/4 turn to your left, quarter turn left, right foot back, half turn left, left foot forward. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. This is part A with the counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 2 3 and 4 and 5, 6 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 7, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let me show you a 16 count. I will do the option for the first 2 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 7 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 7 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now connect to B. Now let me go over part B. Part B has 16 counts. The first B will start facing 6. The second B will start facing 9 o'clock. Now let me show you the first B. Starting with right foot facing 6 o'clock. Section 1. Rock forward, recover, half turn right, step right foot forward facing 12. Left foot, rock forward, recover, half turn left, step left foot forward facing 6. Right foot forward, left foot, scarf, hitch, round back, left, right, left foot, rock back, recover, quarter turn right, stepping on the side, facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, right foot, behind, sweep your left, behind side. Left foot, cross rock, recover side, right foot, cross rock, recover side, left foot forward and prep your body to the right, full turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward. Now you're facing 9 o'clock. With counts for part B, I will do the 2 B's. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me go over ending. Ending occurs after the 6th beat, facing 12 o'clock. You will do the first 4 counts of B and then step right foot together, ending. Which count for the ending? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ending. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.